Okay, Joe, Ken from Brockford Lincoln Sales here. I just wanted to send you a short video on the 2017 Lincoln MKZ Reserve. This one is finished in ruby red metallic. There's our new 2017 signature grille for the Lincoln lineup. Very beautiful car. This particular one does have the upgraded 3-liter twin-turbo V6, boasting 400 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. This thing is a rocket ship. Very well appointed. Digital keypad for easy entry-exit. Of course, power windows, locks, and mirrors, and memory seating. Automatic headlights, steering wheel controls, digital instrument cluster. We do have push button transmission, full 8-inch touchscreen, voice activated navigation and backup camera. Of course, electronic climate control with heated and cooled seats. Cup holders, smart charge USB and a coin tray holder. Also a nice console with another change tray holder and another smart charge USB and 12 volt. Full panel roof, single panel glass that does open and close power. Even the rear is very well appointed. Fold down center armrest with cup holders. 2 smart charge USBs and a 110 volt for you. And also heated rear seating. And an enormous trunk, so lots of room for the clubs. Hope you enjoyed the video, Joe.